Hello traders. It's Pips Pirate here, and we are back with another video on the market. So I'm gonna do a quick analysis, guys. These are the indices I trade, and today I think I'm gonna go with the V50. With the V75, you can use the strategy which is posted like on the below on the channel. So check on that. Use this strategy for the V75. I think it's good. It's an uptrend. Everything goes well. So that we're done with that. Next tape is I don't think there's anything with the V100 here, guys. These are the indices I tried. Just stick to few, if one, if possible, two, but don't go trading a lot of indices. As soon as you see the setup, they all behave different. Like that's how binary I set them. They behave different. So just master your 2 or 3 indices, and then you're good to go. That's the like a tip today for you. So we're gonna go with the V50 1S, which is one of my favorite after the V75. There's nothing going on here. It's an arranged market. Okay, we just help you guys for those who need some help here. It's an uptrend. It wants to break this level. So if you want to buy that, you can go on, but wait for it to break that level, and then a retest, and then you can buy into it, because it's in a ranging market right now. Look at this. So I don't want to engage more, so we wait for it to be this level and then buy, or wait for it to break above this level and then wait for a retest and then buy. So that's that with the V75, but with the V50 is what we can do today. Okay, let's start as usual. Our strategies, we start with the trend. You can see here it was in a downtrend in a daily, and then it came here, started ranging, didn't want to break below, didn't want to break above. So kind of in a ranging market, which is good for the V50. But this is daily time frame, guys. We're not going to be in the market for days. We're going to be in the market for a few hours or minutes if possible. So we're just going to analyze right now what's happening. This is in a ranging, really ranging market right now. You can see still, so it's ups and down, low lows, low highs, high. It's there, but we keep going down. What's happening is, as I told you in a lot of the videos, like with the V75, always go with the what's happening in the market right now. So put it in a 1 hour chart. I can see right now it's an uptrend. This is an uptrend, right? That's an uptrend. What's my top level here? It's this, my last high, because you can see, and then now we mark we're marking the key level. The lower is all the way down here, so the market is in between here. So right now it's an uptrend, and I'm playing with the market right in this area. I think that we're done. It's a trend and key levels here. Now we're gonna make even another levels here in the market. So as you can see, people are asking what do I use to mark the levels. It's easy. Just put where the area touches the body, like this line touches the body, candles and congestion, and wicks, like DCW. That's the principle for a key level. So if you here you can see there's wicks, a lot of wicks touching the body, like this line, and also there's congestions here, like a lot of candles in one area bouncing off one area, and then there's wick again, and there's bodies of candles touching here, bouncing from this area. So I know it's a key level here. I know it's like a major key level here. So we're gonna go with that. So right now I was gonna go for buys, because why? The market broke this level. It was going up, going down, didn't want to break this level, so it went up, came here. There was a little bit of resistance here like 3 times almost, 2 times almost, 3 times if you add this. But the market didn't go lower, it broke this level, went up, came for a retest, you can see here, and then went back up high, came for another retest, broke this high, so we're still in an uptrend. Then it came back down here, didn't go and didn't break this level here, so kinda starting to go in a down trend right now, because it didn't break this level right here, it didn't go and break this level, so it didn't make another high, so we're going down. And then but it came down, still there's congestion here, you can see it, so a lot of resistance, but it broke the level. And the level, guys, is not the line, it's an area. So when I put this, I don't mean like specifically the line, but it's an area like this. So as you can see here, the market is playing at this area. Let me mark this like this. I'm gonna remove this line. Why? Let me go with the color you can see. So okay, green or something. Don't know if it's visible, but I hope it is. Okay, now it is. So the market is kind of playing in this area. This is our key level right now we are looking for, and it was a good place for a buy. And I'm still favoring buys here because we're in an uptrend here. We're in an uptrend. See, we're in an uptrend. I'm not going for a long. I'm just looking for a quick, going like in the market. Then after one or 2 hours, I'm out. Just making sure I get my profits. Maybe it's volatility, maybe minutes, maybe hours, but minutes probably within an hour you'll be out of the market. So right now, here you can see the market broke down this level, and it's kind of like I cannot go for a sell because there's no retest. This might just be like something like this, broke down but came up anyways, as you can see. So it might be something like this. So I would suggest for you to sell after here, because if you sell right now, then your, your stop loss might be here. If your stop loss is there, that means your entry somewhere here, right? Like, so you have like a stop loss of negative 1.1%. So you need at least 3% for you to make like a 1:3. So you need like yeah, it goes actually really well. That means your stop will be somewhere here. So if you're to enter the market right now, if you're to go for a sell right now, which is really convincing, this is gonna be your stop right here for 1:3. For 1:2, I think somewhere here, which is still good, agrees with the, because it's touching all the lower lows here, you can see. So if you're to sell here, your stop loss is there, as I said, but make sure it's the 1:3. Just go within, because this is V50. V50 moves different. It guarantees a movement of, I think, more than like when you enter the trade, probably within a daily time frame, it guarantees more than 2 to 3% movement, like after your entry. I think before starting like a retest or something. Okay, look like something. Oh, this is what I mean. Maybe let's say you entered here the market, right? Let me do this. You entered somewhere here, right? You entered somewhere here. After this candle, it was a buy, right? Your stop loss is somewhere here below this line. So yeah, which is, I cannot say pips it because the points move a lot here. You can see like 6,000 something. So I cannot say. I usually use the percent here. You can see here it's in the line, the -3. Okay, here let's say negative 0.5% of the since your entry, like that's a reduction. I mean that's your loss. So for me, I usually go with the 1:2, 1:3, probably 1:3 with the V50. 1:2 is most likely with the V75 because the V50 moved very well. So somewhere here, see, I told you guys, this is what I mean. Like, there's a guarantee of a 1:3 in the market, like with the V50, like before it started movement. See, it was like all bullish until it got to this level, which is like nearly exactly 1:3 risk reward ratio. I mean, so if you would like stop loss of $10, let's say, okay, $10, that's your loss. You agree? That's the loss. That means it will be a movement of just a straight up movement till you have like $35 here till the market start like retracement, like going back again. So there's that assurance in the V50. There's always that assurance. You can test this. You can test this everywhere. Let's say, okay, let's say you enter somewhere here after this candle, right? Okay, let's say even this one, a bigger one, right? Okay, then that means your stop loss will be somewhere here, right? Okay, let's see, entry, then a 1:8, like was sorry 0.8% of loss. It has to be that time 3, it has to be at least 2 point something before the market starts going back. It's almost there. It's almost 2 point something. So yeah, it's not like a 1:3 exactly, but it's a 1 almost ratio 3. So it's good. So if it was $10, could have been like at least $27 profit or something, 26, which is good still. But you can see what I mean. Like the market, like in the V50, the market will guarantee you a move. We guarantee you a move, like a move of 3% or like 2.5% since your entry, an increase of the market. So, and a decrease also. So if the market just breaks your level in your stop loss in the V50, don't move. Don't adjust your stop loss with the V50. Don't like the V51S. Don't do that because like it's a stupid move. When this moves more than 1%, 2% to your loss, don't move it, just accept your loss and look for another entry. So right here I'm going for buys. I'm waiting for a buy candle here, like a strong momentum bullish candle, because it's still in this area, didn't quite break much yet, as I told you guys. That's why I made the video even longer so that you can see this. So this is kind of like the signals I'm usually giving you. If you guys watch this video after, then just use this strategy. So it's the trend analysis, the key levels, that's the second thing, and the entry is the candlesticks. I go for momentum candles. Like I go for momentum candles, I mean like engulfing pattern, especially in the V50, or like weeks. Here there's a weak rejection here. I'm waiting for a candle to close above this area, then I can place my entry, and then my stop loss is right here. And after that, it will be a 1:3 with the V50. So if my stop loss is right here, then that means, which is 0.3%. Okay, so at least I have to exactly see like this. It goes well. I don't know how binary does this, but like, okay, let's say my entry is here. Let's say my entry is here, and this I'm gonna put like a yellow line. Guys, you have to listen to this carefully because that's my entry, right? Let's say the candle closes there, or like, okay, just say above here, right? Above this area, the candle closes here, and that's my entry. So my stop loss is somewhere here. I'm gonna go with that red line for that. It's somewhere here, right? That's a lot of colors and all, but just pay attention. This is the stop loss, this is the entry. Okay, so let's see which percent in that percent of loss. That's like a -5%, right? So the market has to go at least, it has to be go at least 1.5% increase since my entry for me to be in a 1:3. But look at that. It's almost to this level. Like it's almost to this level, guys. It's almost to this level, right? This level exactly, like almost 1.5. Especially if I decide to put like my stop loss below the week. That's what I suggest, at least below this week, right? Okay, and if this candle closes right there, look at that. You'll be amazed what I'm telling you. Like the 1:3 is exactly next either to another level of another key level or nearly there, because it's an area. So like, okay, this is for 0.5, 2 times 3 times that. It's almost this area, right? It's almost here. It's already in this area. It's like binaries. I don't know how the market does that, but on the V50, this amazes me, and that's why I can guarantee an increase in that. So right now, if you enter here with a buy, this is your take profit and you're out the market. I just gave you like a secret to trade in the V50. You can see it matches, like it matches really well. Just go and try this, test it with the 1:3. It goes like it either goes to another key level, like another key level. I mean like another, like another last high or a last lower low. That's it. Like it goes to a certain level. So if you're marking your levels like this right now, because it's an area, guys, remember it's not exactly this point, or it's an area here. So let me just use the normal thing for people to get it. Okay, see, so this is how you trade the V50. And right now, if it goes here, it breaks this level, it comes for a retest, and you sell, a 1:3 will be probably somewhere here in this line, or somewhere here, depends on where you enter the trade. But it's always next to another key level, another like line of resistance or support. So that's it with the V51S. I think that's it. So you guys watch out for this market. But I'm probably going for a buy. I'm waiting for a bullish momentum because it's an uptrend. Everything agrees, and I'm going with the trend right now. But if it goes and breaks down, wait for a retest, and then you can go for for a sell. So we post the sell and or buy signal when I buy in this market right now. So that's it.